started a series on the A to Z of success in life. And we've looked at the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We've looked at all this. Today we are going to look at J, K, L, M. J, K, L, M. And then J stands for just, K, keep, L, learning, and then M, more. So just keep learning more. If you want to be successful in life, then you have to keep learning. There is a proverb that says that if you stop learning, you stop leading. So if you really want to be successful in life, then you must keep learning. You must keep reading books, you must keep attending seminars, you must keep attending workshops, you must keep attending conferences, you must keep attending summit. You must read motivational books, you must read all kinds of books. If you look at some great people like Bill Gates read approximately 50 books in a year. 50 books in a year. So if you want to be successful, if you want to break through in life, then make books. What is books? You know, that's one thing that I like about books. I love so much about books, and this is it. Books contain people's years of experience. You don't need to commit the mistake that Einstein committed. You don't need to commit the mistake that Job Steve committed. You don't need to commit the mistake that Bill Gates committed. How do you avoid all these mistakes? The way to avoid them is to read books, because when you get books, it tells you people's experience. Books are people's ideas about life, what they have faced, their real story, their life story, what they did that caused them failure, what they did that caused them success. You could have all this from books. You don't need to commit your own mistake and learn from it. That is poor man's mentality. You know, the poor commit their own mistakes and then try to learn. But no, the rich, they look at other people's mistake and they learn from it. They don't wait for it to affect them. They don't wait for them to commit that same mistake. So if you want to be successful, then the letter J, K, L, M stands for just keep learning more. Never ever stop learning. It doesn't matter. You don't need to sit down and read a whole book a day. No, that's what I was saying. What I'm saying is that it doesn't matter if it's just a page. You know, one of the things that I do that I think it helps me a lot, and I'm encouraging you to do that, is when I go to people's office, I try to read everything on the wall. When I'm driving in town, I read signboards, I read posters. What it does is that it kind of sharpens your brain, it kind of sharpens your mind. You kind of get a very good retentive memory. So you got to keep learning, you got to keep reading, you got to keep reading. Don't stop reading. Now we are living in the technological world, the digital age I call it. And they've made learning so simple that you could even have audio books. So if you are busy, you're kind of busy, what you need to do is that when you are going to work, just have an earpiece in your ears and then have those audio books on your phone, and then as you are going, you'll be listening to it. Never ever stop reading. And now look at this. Someone who asks, Nana Aikson, what kind of books should I read? It depends on what you want to achieve in life. It depends on what you want to gain in life. Somebody may be interested in culture. You need to read books on culture if that's what you want. If it's about a personal relationship, you want to develop a personal relationship. One of the things I did, I learned on my own in Udemy. You can go to Udemy and then learn more over there. I took a course over there, public speaking, how to speak to the general public. And the books kind of sharpen my mentality. They kind of give you the flair to be able to approach people, to be able to hook them up, to be able to communicate with other people. And you can get all this through learning. You could also have a mentor. You could also learn from others. You could also look at the life of somebody you learn. The issue is just keep learning. No matter how small you learn a day, just keep learning. So next week we are going to continue with the rest of the alphabet. Until then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe down there. My YouTube channel is Nana Aikson. When you go to Facebook, you can also follow me on Facebook, Nana Aikson. Or you can like my page, Step Into Your Bigness. You can also like Step Into Your Bigness. Or you can also like my other page, that is Success Thinking, where every day I bring in motivational speech, I bring in motivational quote that will inspire you. Everybody needs somebody to inspire you. And I'm here to do that for you. See you again next week till we meet again. The name is Nana Aikson.